Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Bainbaria Tech. I am talking about Hiluckey Solar Charger 25,000 mAh portable solar power bank. Waterproof battery pack with dual-port solar phone charger for smartphones and tablets. I will describe my own experience with this. I am a member of the Federal Disaster Response Team, and as a result I am able to deploy myself to areas where the power has been cut off. I carry high-capacity power packs, but of course you need energy to recharge them. This item was purchased for its solar charging capability. It's a much bigger and heavier unit than I expected, so it's not something I carry in my pocket, but based on my tests I carry it in my go bag. Attached images can give you an idea of the dimensions. To test the performance, I fully charged the unit using a wall plug and then used it to charge my Samsung Galaxy S7 until the power pack is completely exhausted. The brief report is that I received about 5 full recharges before the power pack was removed. First, phone 7% complete in 1 hour 40 minutes. Second, 1 hour 46 minutes to 3% full. Third, complete in 0% to 1 hour 45 minutes. Fourth, complete from 1% within 1 hour 54 minutes when using the phone to surf the web. Fifth, 0% to 45% within 42 minutes of the time the pack was removed. I then took out the worn-out pack and opened the solar panel in the direct sunlight and connected my worn-out phone to it. It took my phone from 0% to 6% in an hour. I removed the pack in direct sunlight and the phone went from 6% to 13% within an hour. I then disconnected the phone and left the pack in direct sunlight for an additional 6 hours, noting that the pack was displaying 1 light of charge capacity, about 25%. Obviously, charging the pack by solar power alone will take several days to fill from empty. However, since my phone rarely falls below 50% on a typical working day, I feel comfortable that this unit will give me 9 to 10 recharges before the juice runs out. If I set the unit to sunlight during the day and charge my phone in the evening, I imagine I would never be without electricity. Warning: if deployed in a disaster, most of my phone use is to access disaster-related apps several times a day, use GPS with pre-downloaded maps, and if lucky, call or text with family and colleagues. I could listen to music stored during downtime, but not some streaming. My bottom line is that this item will go out the door with me, probably on the way with Hurricane Dorian this weekend. I would recommend it to anyone looking for an emergency power pack. This is too heavy for a daily portable energy source, but if you are expecting or planning to complete it without any electrical power for more than a few days, it can go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.